Hola, ¿qué tal estás hoy? ¿Listo para leer en inglés? La historia que te traigo es la número 13 de The Complete Book of Farmyard Tales. Y vamos a leer la que se titula The Snowstorm. La pregunta que te voy a hacer es, presta mucha atención, ¿quién encuentra a la oveja? Si tienes el libro, léelo con nosotros. Soy Mónica, bienvenido a Peque Books. Today we're reading the complete book of Farmyard Tales. And we're going to read the story number 13, The Snowstorm. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Boots, the farmer. She has 2 children called Poppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. Woof woof! In the night there was a big snowstorm. In the morning it is still snowing. You must wrap up warm, says Mrs. Boot to Poppy and Sam. Ted works on the farm. He helps Mrs. Boot look after the animals. He gives them food and water every day. Come and help me, calls Ted. Where are you going? Says Poppy. I'm taking this hay to the sheep, says Ted. Poppy and Sam pull the hay. They go out of the farmyard with Ted. They walk to the gate of the sheep field. Where are the sheep? Says Sam. They are all covered with snow, says Ted. We'll have to find them, says Poppy. They brush the snow off the sheep. Ted, Poppy and Sam give each sheep lots of hay. They've got nice warm coats, says Sam. Poppy counts the sheep. There are only 6 sheep. 1 is missing, says Poppy. Is that naughty Woolly? Says Ted. They look for Woolly. They walk around the snowy field. Rusty, good dog, find Woolly, calls Sam. Rusty runs across the field. Ted, Poppy and Sam run after him. Rusty barks at the thick hedge. Woof, 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 woof. Ted looks under the hedge. Can you see anything? Says Sam. Yes, Woolly is hiding in here. Clever Rusty, says Ted. Come on, Woolly, let me help you out, old girl, says Ted. Carefully, he pulls Woolly out of the hedge. There's something else. Look, I can see something moving, says Sam. What is it, Ted? Says Poppy. Ted lifts out a tiny lamb. Woolly has had a lamb, he says. We'll take it and Woolly to the barn. They'll be warm there. Poppy rides home. She holds the lamb. What a surprise, she says. Good old Woolly. ¿Qué te ha parecido? ¿Te ha gustado? ¿Y has encontrado quién es el responsable de encontrar a Woolly, la oveja? ¿Sí? Vamos allá. Mira, aquí le dicen, busca la oveja. Rusty sale corriendo y ¿quién la encuentra? Rusty. Muy bien. Si te ha gustado, te animo a comprártelo. Y no te olvides de suscribirte al canal, compartir el vídeo o darle al like. Muchas gracias por seguirnos. Nos vemos con el próximo cuento.